Hello, this is Marcus and my group mates Gavin and Yang. Today our experiment will be on uniform circular motion. The objective of this experiment is to determine the speed of an object moving in conical uniform circular motion and to fly a bat like the ball in the diagram. There are two ways to determine the speed of an object in uniform circular motion. The first equation is v equals 2 pi r divided by time period. The second equation is v equals the square root of gr tan theta. The materials required for this experiment are a bat, a string, stands with bars attached, batteries, ruler, stopwatch. The procedure is to measure the string, then attach to the stand. Attach the bat with the stand by a string, turn on the bat, then let go. Time the bat for 20 rotations at terminal speed. Then measure the diameter of the circular flight. The results of the experiment were diameter is 86 centimeters, or the radius is 43 centimeters. The time in total is 36.6 seconds for 20 revolutions. The length of string is 62 centimeters. The height from the bar to the ground is 124 centimeters. And the height from the bat to the ground is 79 centimeters. Using the equation v equals 2 pi r divided by time period, we get a velocity of 1.5 meters per second. Using the equation v equals the square root of gr tan theta, when tan is equal to inverse sine of r over L, we get a velocity of 2 meters per second. The average speed in this experiment can be determined using the following equation. The velocity from the first method plus the velocity from the second method divided by 2 will give us our velocity average. Therefore, the average velocity for this experiment was 1.75 meters per second. To conclude, the bat had an average speed of 1.75 meters per second. There were some obvious sources of errors in this experiment. First, the bar across the top wobbled quite a bit, causing small amounts of non-uniform motion. Second, the measurements for the diameter were not accurate, due to the movement of the system being in motion, and unavoidable human error. The objectives of this lab were also achieved, and the bat did fly a conical uniform circular path.